Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn off read recipients on your Instagram DM. So it's pretty simple. First, what you want to do is update your Instagram as it's only available on the latest up-to-dated version of Instagram. Do that and then you want to click on your message icon at the top right of your screen. From inside your message icon, you want to go inside the chat where you want to turn on read recipients. Let's say I want to turn on read recipients on one of my friend Richie Kevin. I click on him. Once I click on him, at the top it's going to show me his name. I need to click on his name at the top. Then it's going to show me this option called privacy and safety. I need to click on privacy and safety. Now inside here it shows me the option called read recipients. Over here it is already turned on, which means if he sends me a message and I see his message, he won't know that I have seen or I have not seen his message. But if I turn it off, when I see his message, which Kevin or my friend will know that I have seen his message. So if you don't want others to know that you have read their message, turn this on. If you want others to know, just turn it off. That is basically what this setting does. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos related to Instagram like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.